So the other day I was driving and my dashboard stated that my left rear blinker was going to be going out. And as soon as I tried to use the left blinker, I can hear the relay clicking on and off really fast, which means that my bulb is dying. Starting it the next time, it worked fine. So I figured I'll go ahead and replace it now so it doesn't cause me any more problems, because my cousin was following me the other day and noticed the same thing. So I went ahead and purchased the part, which for Sylvania, I got the Long Life 3157. It comes in a dual pack. So we're going to go ahead and get this replaced. And we just take these 4 screws off and the whole assembly will come out. So now that that's out, you could, if you wanted to, pop the 2 pins here and pull the whole assembly out, which will make it easier to work on. There's what the back looks like. So this is the one we're going to be replacing. Just turn it counterclockwise and it just pops out. Now, after looking at this assembly, looks like the 2 screws on the back are the only ones you're going to have to do, because the front here seems to just clip in. And clockwise to lock it. Now we're going to just give it a test. And as you can see, it's working, so we'll go ahead and screw it in and get the other side replaced as well. Thanks for watching. If this helped you at all, please give me a like.